What's up everybody and welcome back to Life with Labrador Lucy. Earlier this week, my wife ordered Lucy and Princess some amazing dog hiking boots. Now, today's video is going to be all about trying them on for the first time. Lucy and Princess have never worn shoes. Princess is 6 years old, she's never put shoes on, and I think she's going to have a little difficult time adjusting to it. Now, we did this because we live in Arizona and the summers get extremely hot. If you walk your dogs, it should only be in the early morning, and even then it's like 90 to 100 degrees. So one, it's going to keep their feet from getting blistered or sun damaged, and two, from cactus or sharp rocks. So without further ado, let's get this thing started, and well, let's do this thing! Yeah, Princess, those are going on your feet. No biting, they're going on your feet, girls. Alright, let's put these shoes on. You're gonna be trying on your shoes first.
Look how tiny they are. What are they? Don't be scared.
This is gonna be one heck of, well, an adventure, let's say. Alright, you keep snoozing, alright? Thanks. You got your shoes on. She's literally frozen. Princess, do you want a treat? Princess, it's okay. It's okay. Look, you're okay. You're a good girl. You're okay. Come on.
She's frozen, I'll start putting on Lucy's.
Yeah, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. Oh. Princess. It's okay. Come here. Do you want a treat? Oh, Lucy, you're getting nosy. All right, it's your turn. It's your turn. Princess, I'll get you a treat. You're a good girl. So I'm gonna go put Lucy's things on now, okay? You just stay here, as I'm sure you will. All right, Lucy, you got your boots on. Come on, let's walk. Princess, come here. Come here, Lucy. Yeah, you guys are doing so good. Ooh, some snappies. All right, I think we have to take this outside and see what they do. They absolutely love snapping these. Just listen. All right, come on, guys, let's go outside. Come on. Princess, come here. Good girls. Good girls. Go, Lucy, go. Good girl. Yes, good girl. Princess, come on. Princess, you're doing great. You're doing great. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yeah, Princess. Good girl. Doesn't that feel cool? I don't have a treat. Mama does. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Woo! Yeah. Good girl, Lucy. Oh my goodness, she's so cute. Come here. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. She looks so funny when she's running. They're just a little big, but, well, you're doing really good in them, Lucy. You're doing so good. Come here. Yeah, all right, hold on. Stay, wait. There you go. Okay. Good girl. Come on. At least she's smiling.
Come on, Princess. Come on, Princess, run.
Go, Princess. Go, 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 go.
Come on, Princess. Come on.
Yeah, Princess. Yeah. Good girl. Good girl. You get a treat up for that.
Escape pee.
Oh no. Your claws don't work, Lucy. Here. This is when humans can help dogs. Here.
You call that for that tiny little pee.
But it was so good, wasn't it? Well, they're doing really, really well on their shoes. Extremely, extremely entertaining.
Look at how she's sitting.
Come on, come on.
Come on, Princess. Judo. Princess.
Princess. All right, ladies. You get some Cheetos. All right, everybody. Well, I think this just about wraps up today's video. We've got their boots on. We've got some great reactions from the both of them, and they're actually doing really well. So I know that we're gonna be able to train them some more and use them. Oh, good girl, Princess. Lucy, can you shake? Oh, Lucy, shake. Come on, come on, shake. All right, I'll take it. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, everybody. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. We have a lot of awesome videos coming your way, and we're also thinking of doing some really cool videos to get to 100,000 subscribers. We just hit 50,000. Woohoo! Thanks so much, everyone, for your support. It's incredible, and please stay tuned for more awesome videos. It's super toasty out here, so sorry about it. But anyways, peace out, much love, be blessed, and stay safe.